Hello, I'm Rajesh. I'd like to introduce a production-ready enterprise multi-tenant SaaS platform that I designed and developed using FastAPI, Next.js, Postgres, Docker, Redis, and modern backend architecture. Let me walk you through its key capabilities. The platform begins with secure authentication, providing enterprise-grade access control while maintaining a clean and intuitive user experience. Users with access to multiple organizations can securely switch between isolated workspaces. Each tenant maintains complete separation of data, permissions, and operational workflows. The dashboard provides a real-time overview of projects, background jobs, operational statistics, and tenant-specific insights, helping teams monitor activity from a centralized interface. Projects automatically belong to the active tenant, ensuring complete isolation between organizations while supporting secure collaboration and version control operations. Every project includes metadata lifecycle information, version tracking, and administrative controls, enabling reliable project management within enterprise environments. Every significant action is recorded in a comprehensive audit timeline, providing complete visibility into project history and supporting compliance requirements. To prevent accidental overrides, the platform implements optimistic concurrency control. When multiple users edit the same record simultaneously, version conflicts are detected and safely resolved without losing data. Long-running operations execute safely in the background using a reliable job queue. Users can continue working while progress is tracked independently. Each background job provides complete lifecycle tracking, execution history, progress monitoring, request information, and operational transparency for administrators. User accounts display memberships, workspace rules, active sessions, and permission details, ensuring secure administration across multiple organizations. The integrated Help Center provides built-in documentation for projects, jobs, permissions, workflows, and common operational tasks, reducing onboarding time for enterprise teams. The platform includes OpenAPI documentation, enabling developers to explore endpoints, authenticate securely, and integrate with external systems using standardized REST APIs. The responsive dashboard delivers a consistent experience across desktop, tablet, and mobile devices, allowing teams to monitor business operations from anywhere. Project management is fully optimized for mobile devices, making it easy to review tenant-specific workspaces, search projects, and manage operations while on the move. This project demonstrates my experience designing and developing production-ready SaaS platforms with enterprise authentication, multi-tenancy, optimistic concurrency control, background processing, secure APIs, and scalable backend architecture. Thank you for watching.